is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary. I want to marry.
And then welcome when I come this program where they call Area Tori. Area Tori, they come to now from Procyon radio and television. Right now, I deal with Gloria Enoch for studio.
My area people, now good morning.
Gloria, they greet to now. I they greet to now. How on day? I hope so on a program. The Tori what we want to talk about today. Now the Tori of those people when they talk say, they be waiting that they call themselves as skip makers. I been waiting where they do prank. They go come they do prank for people. Say, hey, be like say, make we do something to make somebody feel somehow. Where they say you know expect. They come they use them. They make money for social media. And they call them prank. Oh. Okay. So Gloria, this prank where then they do for people. E get one particular guy where I want to talk about when you own they go too much, they too extreme, if they go too much. This guy go see person they pass for road. If you go hide for inside bush, where potopoto dey. As you they come, it go just make you fear you go fall inside potopoto. You no even worry about where you they go or the thing where they happen for your life. You no even want it go make you fall inside potopoto. And then he get the one where you go do what they say, go come talk. So take woman where they road go comot her on this. So take you know they even feel anything. You go collect her for your hand. Yes, he get the way where you go do, take talk to them where they go come gree, comot their on this. He get different things where him they do, you go come call and prank. If it organize the way where they say boyfriend and girlfriend catch another girl for in house, then go fight. If he pour you water for road, now the thing will come in mind to do that period, now you go do. If he just do waiting, they say you understand, it go make person nearly go crazy at that time. If he even make person fence, they do it too much. You understand? Or if they do prank, when they see where they do prank, then go feel whole small thing, but they know they do them the way where you go affect person life the way where this guy they do it. If you do them when we say you go arrange with a girl father, so the girl go come do waiting the father no believe say the girl go feel do. Or person who don't plan to marry, even self then they even put person inside coffin. Say person don't die. Can't go deceive another person, say, can't see your person, you don't die. Person go cry like say you go die.
The person no die.
And the person no die. Later the person go stand up, they go laugh, they go say na prank. You understand?
Really expensive.
All those kind of things where they do, you know even to worry me. But the recent one where the guy do, where be say, right now as I they talk to you, they for DSS and they don't lock him up. Small pikin will be 10 years old. He come they ask the girl to describe in nature. If they ask the girl, he wear clothes, wear everything. The girl they cry. This guy they also they follow this girl talk. Say me she tell them now which color, now how he be. Prank. No, this one na child abuse.
Child abuse.
I been a child assault, Abi. I been a what you na go call her? No, the thing don't pass my power.
Them where they go give
That this is what this guy do. He bad so many mothers. The kind pain where mothers they feel. It's good as he did there. So that he will learn less.
good as he did there.
And the parents of that girl, Gloria, now here I still want to talk about the parents of the girl.
Because now the parents, I want me to talk about parents.
The parents now they say they for the same prison where they put the boy.
And arrest them.
The guy, they arrest them too.
So what's the make them arrest them?
The thing where they did, they say, it be like say they talk, say the parents know. Say the guy go do this girl like this.
So they arrange with that.
Okay. Like say they arrange. You understand? You as a mother. You go sit down, look your pikin finish. Small girl 10 years old, you go come carry and say,
Do experiment.
make them do experiment
With your pikin.
with your own pikin. No.
Yeah.
That parents, I don't know how their own upbringing be,
Mm.
but whether you dey religious, you no dey religious, you know say no be so you suppose to treat your own pikin. Gloria, this boy do this girl own, na everywhere. Thank God say they don arrest am because that thing wey he do, which kind thing be that wey you go come call prank?
Na shame. Shame
Which kind
something
thing be that? E no good.
Na shame.
So the one kuma when you come do again, wey come dey pay me for body after this girl own, na be the worst. The woman own,
They go say na adults.
they go say na
They no
adults
good
at
and bad.
least. Thank you. They no good and bad. Wetin you go talk about this small pikin own before I go enter the adult own?
My area people, na good morning. We don come again today. Una don hear am o. This one ma, e dey turn my belle too. As a mother, e no sweet to hear o. The parents of that little girl, if you go arrange because of abi na poverty I go call am, abi na hunger go make you go agree pikin. That kind thing wey you dey talk dey ask that pikin, you forget say tomorrow that pikin fit dey go ask another pikin. From that, if this big man now, if they ask this small pikin tomorrow go ask another person. Another person go come, you go see say before we know our society go corrupt more than this. So our children go spoil. You go there one day, you go see say pikin go come dey ask you kind question wey you go there you hear am well, you go hold your ear well say abi na dream I dey dream, something dey happen. Where you learn am, you no know say tori wey children no suppose to hear, talk wey children no suppose to think, things they suppose to know, na dem dey teach them. In the name say na joke, no be joke be this one o. E pass joke, e pass joke. So the parents, una shame us, una fall our hand, una shame the nation Nigeria, una shame una family, una shame una name, because and now una dey there, they don't know una name, they don't know where una from.
Yes.
Una shame everybody. Na shame una be. The mother na shame you be for women. You be shame to
You
mothers.
see the way this pikin dey cry for that video wey the thing enter my bone.
Oh.
The pikin dey cry, dey fear sef to even talk. You understand? So now they after this one now, you don't know say they go don make this pikin strong.
Now they tell you now.
As they don make am strong now,
They
if
get
you
mind.
see man dey pass, you go come tell am say uncle, your all those question wey
When they ask,
she go come dey ask uncle, your this thing na like this, your na like this, na like this. Or if she see boy like,
he go ask am the
he go
question.
ask am the
Now
question.
wetin I mean be that.
You go even come dey fit tell am say abi make I see,
Make I
if
see.
no be that color, make I see am as e be. You don't understand?
Yes.
From there, that pikin don
You
go.
don spoil.
Mm.
Don spoil pata.
So this one na warning to other people wey be say una dey still do that kind thing. Make una look for small things since dem dey use am make money. That video now, dem go use am make money. Dem go post am as una dey subscribe, dey like, na there dem dey pay dem, and na there im dey
You
gain.
don spoil your
So
name.
you don spoil your job be that. Simple things wey you suppose dey do wey go make people dey like you, dey happy, dey do. You go
No
dey
be
do
want.
this thing. But your own too dey extreme abeg.
Yes.
I no like that kind thing. Abi you like am?
I no like am at all.
Okay now. Thank you very much. Then we talk about the one wey be say I see again wey you come make one woman comot her undies where she stand. He say if she go fit comot am, him go give her 100,000. She come tell am say no, 100,000 too small, no, make him make am 200,000.
They go bargain.
She come bargain.
Oversee.
Na two of them dey waka o. The other lady come say no, God forbid.
Yes, you do.
You dey craze, something dey wrong with you. Wetin dey worry you? That one now come waka. This one come say okay wait.
Na easy thing.
She come stand. The other one don waka go. She no gree because that one know say she as a woman, she no suppose to hear that.
That's why they say
from her.
under.
Yes.
They call am
So
under.
they say underwear. So na so this other girl wey come stand come comot her undies. Give this guy for 200,000. Him promise say him go give her back. Now when she don comot and give her as the thing dey and he say he no go return, I say so you comot your undies for and give me, you no know me, you no know wetin I go carry and do, you no know wetin dey my hand for this money. Na there him come tell her say him don buy am be that.
Her eye don open now.
Her eye open. He go him car go comot one calabash with red cloth inside. He come say he go put the undies inside. Na so the girl come dey cry. No, the girl cry. That thing is too extreme now. The girl cry. The girl dey beg am. The guy refuse. You know say those things e too bad. Even if you dey do am now, by the time you do small like this, you go stop for road. But you go make these people cry. You go make them As a woman, you go see person wey you no know. Just go comot your undies give her Gloria for money.
No fit happen. So that girl wey do am, na be na money we go to longer throat. The other you waka, two of una waka. This one say, God forbid I no do. Wetin come your mind that minute wey you say me I go do because of 200,000. What of if to say he carry am so you go do for your make you take your life? That money you no go enjoy am. You go die. And now what they say, every person don't know you. They look, they see your face now. They don't show the face.
Then they show.
They
know they even cover people face.
Because if they even cover people face, because they don't know the person. They don't know you. If you know there for where the area where we there, another area where you there, person must know you at least 2 or 3 people don't know you. Now shameful thing for you again because now woman on I see they talk again. For a girl, for a lady, as a woman, to do that thing, now shame for you. You don't disgrace womenhood. You're not supposed to live. If you say the thing they kill you, make you just die, go, make them not see you again. Now because he not kill you, now shame you bring, and that shame not only you go carry and the waka. 2, 3 people know you go see you say, it be like saying that this girl look like that girl. Oh. They don't know you. They don't mark your face. If they don't mark your face, they mark your voice because they cry when you cry. People don't video them keep. People get them for your phone. They go, they look you.
And you know, say even when they beg us, say, I beg, no show this video. I beg, no. You go say na your work.
Na your work.
You say na your work.
And you where they do. I don't know your name. Oh. Don't know your name. You where they do. You know good now. You don't. If waiting you go call them for, you go expensive, but for preaching like they say it too cost. It too cost. It too cost. I beg. It too cost now. It too much. It's not sweet to see or to hear.
Waiting we want to help us.
Don't do that one again.
Women with a beguna. You know, say most of this prank when they do say comot your own this, comot this. Now women in they do am too.
Now women now.
Do for women where they inside hijab they comot. Waiting that one come be. It can't be say, it be like say even as una dey una husband house as a woman. It be like say una no dey satisfied with wetin una get. Na the problem be that.
And the longer throat wey I talk from beginning. Longer throat o, na carry them go. Big eye. They no dey satisfied with wetin they get, wetin God provide for them, wetin their husband fit give them, or wetin their parents, even wetin their self fit get for themselves.
Thank you.
Because at least some of them they work.
Yes.
Some of the girls they work. That one no do them. They want extra money, shortcut. Make money come in another shortcut. 9 bring the shame.
I like that word where you use say shortcut.
Shortcut.
Sharp.
Hey, and you know they pay.
Sharp. Now, make the money drop. And you know say as money drop like that, as it not come in a good way. Now so it go. Now so it be.
So.
Whether you like it or not, you don't go even know what you carry that money to. Because no be right way now the money take come. If you use your hand work, take get better, take get money, no matter how small the money be, you go discover say you use am well. But now when you know do this thing, you dey look for sharp money, shortcut. Hey, thank God, maybe now this one be my breakthrough.
My own luck, na luck.
Okay now. So you go try your luck one day, go fall into one trap where be say you know go fit comot. Gloria, thank you very much because you really talk about this particular one na shame and disgrace. Our women with the beguna. Any condition where you find yourself, make you appreciate God. As long as you dey alive, you no sick, you dey fit chop food, swallow am, even enter toilet, comot well.
Bath yourself.
By yourself. You go thank God. Don't be say you go to look for shortcuts where you go come disgrace you, disgrace your family, all your relations, even the people around you. You go like to pack come up for that area, which is not possible. So make we take our time, dey take care of ourselves, and God go dey bless us. Abeg make we no dey do bad thing. If we see all those kind guys around now, make we show them say we be odeshi, we strong. How you go dey fall into trap like that, for God's sake? No, no, dey do that kind of thing again. Thank you very much, Gloria, for coming to the studio. We don round up this program for today. I wan say make una dey shine like the star wey una be. My name na Sarah Agbo. Bye.